Hello guys, myself Venkatesh and I am here to explain you about more about software testing, which is a documentary written by John Pereless. We are at Pereless software website, official website, pereless.net. Today I am going to discuss with you software testing. That is a very important segment in SDLC, that is software development life cycle. Software testing basically ensures the quality of a product, the developed software, the developed application, right? So basics of software testing says that it's a process to make any software or computer program bug free. In software testing, the outcome is measured on some set of predefined results for the delivered input versus obtained output. Software testing is done to test the quality of the product, as we discussed. This is very important section, branch, or we can say segment on software development life cycle. In a more comprehensive as well as in a short term, we can say that check it's a check validation and verification, that is confirmation. Let us define the types of software testing. Before that, we will discuss that what are these two, that is checksums and confirmation. Checksum is a process to ensure the product fulfills the conditions that desired at the start of the development phase. It is to make sure the product behaves the way we are intended to develop it. Like we were looking at those results which actually we wanted to achieve at the end of its completion. And then confirmation, we know that confirmation it's an assurance that product is fulfilling the set of requirement which is obtained on given set of input. That is the final phase, you can say deployment phase, to make sure the product is built as per the specifications or the software requirements specification provided by the business provider. Now, we'll discuss the major types of software testing, right? Sure. There are two major types we will be discussing here, that is the manual testing and the automation testing. A manual testing is nothing but it's a type of test which is performed by the programmer, which is performed by the tester on a document management basis. That is, he used to select some set of code, some set of data which he used to test the application, the software program, that is it is running, whether it is running intentionally as 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 per the engagement, right? Then there are various stages available in manual testing, that is unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. We in short term says that UAT, user acceptance testing. Testers use built-in test plans or test cases, right, to ensure that a particular given set performing well in outcome, that is the final results for that particular input set. Now, unit testing. What is unit testing? Unit testing is the smallest piece of testing for of an individual unit or piece of code or module uh, to ensure that that particular developed segment is doing well in terms of particular set of input, right? Then integration testing is the sum of all unit tests which have been tested earlier and then integrated into a single section or a group to ensure that that particular group of units working well and they are completely bug free. In product function testing, the functionality of the product is tested in this particular phase. Then system testing is nothing but it's a if let's say we be providing the different operating platform for that particular developed product. That is, let me set an example for you guys. That suppose we have developed an application through uh, uh, mobile application is there, which is converted from a web. Then we will be testing it for browser compatibility, we are testing it on Mozilla, we are testing it for Chrome, we are testing for Opera, we will be testing it for Maxthon and an Internet Explorer, and how the product is behaving. If the product is behaving the same way it has to be actually behave, then we will be saying that yeah, system is completely browser compatible, right? So system testing is done in this way. We test the application, we test the product on multiple operating systems to ensure that it has passed the portability test for operating system case, right? Then system of product is test testing. Is test testing for product is, we provide some odd inputs and to check that how it is behaving. For example, it is very important in terms of security, right? Like ATM and embedded systems and other places where security is a prime concern, stress testing is done there, right? Performance testing is done to check the product it has passed in terms of providing the sufficient effect, productivity in speed and effectiveness. Usability testing is testing section where end user check the feasibility of the system developed, right? Where he performs some operations and to check how it is easy to use. Product acceptance testing, this is a testing phase which is mainly done by the customer or the product owners to check that whether he got the desired product which he actually provided in SRS for requirement, right? If he accepts things, approved it, then it goes under deployment. And if he denies on some sort of segments, then the product again goes to the same cycle, same phases for the desired changes made by the product owner. Okay, so there are so many automatic testing tools are available where a programmer can test it manually or via system generated scripts or built-in program. That is, we can say it's automating testing automation. Basically, automation testing is done in a case when the application or the product size is very large and it requires multiple checksums, multiple validations. So this is recommended in that case. So guys, that's all for software development and testing phase. Looking forward for the next video. Stay tuned. Thanks.